Kasala don burst oh. Oga madam don come office. You don see wetin dey happen. And she carry talk dey give the PA for inside office. Na him the husband just dey look. The husband no know wetin go talk as at that time. Na him madam just pounce on top the PA. Come dey beat am. Na the thing wey happen oh, I just say make I carry this small thing come show una. Abeg, make we go the real thing. Make una see how everything take be. Then una go understand wetin happen. Una mo go. Follow me, mo go. Na the room be this wey our Oga Patrick and him PA don rent say make they enter. Jolly themselves. They don enter inside the room, come dey jolly themselves. They don finish the jolly or the enjoyment wey dem dey do. Na him Patrick come dey talk to the PA. Come dey talk to am say him like am. He come ask am say shey she get boyfriend. Na him she come talk say she no get oh, she no get anybody. Him come dey tell am say make she tell am. If she get, make him tell am. Say him know say no be only him dey in life. Na him the girl come carry talk say na only you be the man wey dey my life and na only you I want. Na only you I want make e dey my life. Na him Patrick come look am. Patrick come talk say as you dey talk so, the talk dey sweet me. Say no worry, I go take care of you. Na him he come carry kiss give am again. Come carry head do like pikin on top the girl body. Hey, na the thing wey some men love be this yo. They like am well make their woman dey pet am, dey do them like say dem be pikin. They don dey inside car. The person wey Ife of Lagos employ say make e dey follow dem dey get information concerning dem. Don dey do the recording no as dem dey inside their car. As dem dey inside the car so, e come dey record dem. Na so Patrick and him PA just dey laugh, dey do totori things for their self. They come dey totori their body oh. As the person still dey do the recording, Christabel dey house. Him mama come look for am for house. She come tell the mama say e be like say my husband dey cheat. Na the mama talk say cheat ke? Where you wan see the cheating for? How you take know say your husband dey cheat for you? Na she come tell am say I know say my husband dey cheat for me. Say I dey 95% sure say him dey cheat for me. Na the mama come tell am say no dey reason like that. Abeg, if you wan talk, make you talk with evidence, make you talk with fact. You know say you and your husband don dey fight all this while. Fight dey una middle. Say anything wey you go talk wey go bring up fight again, abeg no do am. Say if you sure say your husband dey cheat, you go dey 100% sure say your husband dey cheat for you. Make you carry out your facts. Na the thing wey me I wan tell you be that. Shey you know say everything wey dey happen, na you carry am, na you push your husband go outside. Na you push am go outside. And you go dey ready to do anything possible to make sure say your home dey okay again. Na him she come dey look him mama. He come tell him mama say, mama, shey you dey tell me say na me be the cause of wetin Patrick dey do now? Na him the mama come talk say yes, na you be the cause. Na you do am, na you push am out. Shey you know say men no like house wey dey too hot, house wey wahala dey, house wey peace no dey, house wey their wife no dey give them peace, e no dey totori them. Na the thing. You need to do everything possible to make sure say your husband dey okay. Say the house dey peaceful for your husband to stay inside. Say men no like house wey fight too dey. Na she come talk say okay, wetin I go do? As she talk, the mama come tell am say as e dey so now, you go dey smart, you go dey wise, you go dey ready to do anything to make sure say you bring your husband back to the house. Say because you don use your hand chase your husband comot, now you go bring am come back. Na she come talk say she no even believe say her husband fit cheat on top am. She say yes na, shebi na you push am. Na you push am now. Na you push am to dey do wetin him do. If him dey cheat on top you, na you make am so. Na you make am dey cheat for you. Na the thing wey the mama come tell am. He come say the mama come say you go listen to me. You go listen and do wetin I tell you say make you do, so that your husband go come back to you. You go get your husband back, comot your husband life, comot for that woman hand. The mama come dey tell am wetin she go do. She come say she don hear. The mama advise am as the mama wey him be, the good mama wey him be, wey no wan make him pikin life, him pikin marriage spoil. We all know say Christabel don overdo, and now the table don turn. She come dey feel am now, because na she push her husband go outside. Because if she no put her husband go outside, her husband no go meet another woman. They no go advise her husband make he do something and her husband go do am. If the house dey peaceful for am. Men no like make house too dey hot. Men no like make the woman dey carry talk, carry wahala dey give them all the time. But I blame the man also because say they advise you, you jump. You no even sit down think. You just jump for inside the matter like that. Na the blame wey I go give the man be that. And Christabel, if to say she know, she for no push the husband to this extent. Things no suppose spoil up to this extent. Because say she don push the husband. She carry her career for head, carry her business for head, come leave her family. She no know say she suppose do everything together to make sure say everything dey balance. To make sure say yes, in family dey alright, in family dey okay. You still fit dey do your work, dey do your family at the same time. No be say you go carry your work put for head, come put your family for one side. Another person wey go see am, go like am, go handle am for you. Na the thing be that. She don dey inside room, dey do work for on top of her system. Na him the husband just dey come outside for inside bathroom. Him come dey stretch him body. The wife come dey look am, he dey stretch, he dey do him hand, he dey do him leg. Na him the wife come ask am say, wetin do you, my oga? Na him the oga tell am say, my body dey pain me. She come say, your body dey pain you? Abeg, lie down, make I help you massage your body. Na him she carry her system, put for one corner. Pack everything for one corner. Say, make the husband lie down, make him help am massage him body. The husband come dey look am say, wetin enter this woman body? She come say, you be my husband. I need to take care of you. I need to pamper you. Abeg, make you lie down. May I help you so that your body go stretch well well. Your body go dey gidigba. Na the thing wey the wife talk be that. The husband still dey look am, he still dey wonder say, e be like say something dey wrong with my wife. Na him she come dey tell am, no worry my husband, you be my husband, I be your wife. I suppose take care of you. As she dey talk, she come dey put the husband, say make him try lie down. As she come talk, she sha force the husband, make the husband lie down on top bed. Na him she just dey help am dey massage am. You see as she dey smile. She dey smile. She dey happy. Say, she and her husband don talk. Say she dey help the husband massage. Na so e suppose be. Na so e suppose be. Wahala no suppose dey. For marriage to work, na two. The Bible itself talk am say, two people no fit waka if they no agree. Na the thing wey the Bible talk be that. If una wan make your marriage work, una go dey ready to waka together, to agree together, to do everything together. See as their body dey jolly them now. See as her body dey jolly am. As she dey press her husband, shey e no dey okay? E dey okay. Na the thing be that. E dey okay. As she come dey press the body. Na the truth, e no suppose reach that point. Because say she dey careless with her family. She carry her work put for head more than her family. Abeg, make una try to dey balance am. Your family, make e come first. I no say make you no do any other thing, but make you try put your family for everything wey you dey do. If na your career, if na your job, if na your business, so remember say your family dey there. After you don go, you don work, you don do everything, you dey still go back to that house. And you need to take care of your family. Always remember say your family na the koko of the koko. Because if you know say you no fit take care of family, you no go marry. You for marry your work or marry your business. E for better. But unto say you dey inside your husband house or you marry your wife, both of you need to work together as one to make your marriage work. To make your marriage work. Like I used to tell my friend, I used to tell them a lot, say, for your marriage to work, you must dey ready to do anything, everything possible to make sure say your home dey sweet. To make sure say your home, e dey totori you for body. You know say if your home no dey sweet, e no go dey sweet you to come house. If you don close from work or close from business, you go wan go somewhere wey dey say go totori you small before you go your house. Wetin make am be like that? Because say peace no dey for your house. You fit create peace for your house. Na you go make that decision, say, I wan make my family work. I wan make my marriage work. Na him she come dey press am, dey do everything for am. She come dey press am, the husband come dey feel relaxed. The husband don carry sleep go sef. Na him she carry mouth kiss him husband. As she kiss am, Next morning, she don go kitchen go prepare breakfast for the husband. The thing wey she suppose dey do, wey she dey do before, wey she come stop. Na im she go back to come dey do because say she know say wahala don dey. Wahala don dey. Na im she put the food on top table. The husband come dey come down from upstairs. Na im the husband see am. Say she carry food put on top table. The husband come dey look am. She come dey tell the husband say, honey, you don dey ready to go work? Abeg come chop. I don do your favourite food. Na im the husband come respond back to her and say, hey, today no be my birthday na. Why you go do my favourite food for me? She come say, every you no suppose be like that na. Say every day should be a happy day. Say I do your favourite for you. Abeg, make you come sit down come chop. Na im he come ask am say, where im pikin? He say im pikin dey upstairs, say dem dey prepare am for school. Say make im come chop. Na im the husband come look. She come say make im come sit down, make she serve am. The husband too come go. She come carry the chair for am, come dey serve im food for am. As she come dey serve, abeg, shebi you see as smile dey for her face, her body dey jolly am. Na so e suppose be. Na so e suppose be. Na so e suppose be. Make the love dey there, dey grow. You no suppose wait until something don happen inside your marriage before you go start to dey do again. Say you wan try see whether your marriage go come back to the way it was before. Na im the husband come dey look am with one eye say, wetin don come on top my wife like this? E don tey wey I don see my wife do this kind thing for me o. Na im she come dey smile. She come say make im chop. Na im the husband come tell am say make im chop, make im join am too. She come say no, say she do am specially for am. Say make im enjoy. Na im she come dey look, dey smile. Can you imagine the kind smile wey dey her face? See happy home for crying out loud. A peaceful home. If to say she know, she for do the right thing from the beginning. No be now wey kasala don burst, wey things don dey go wrong, she come remember say she need to dey do this kind thing. Where her social media now? As she dey do this kind thing now, she dey try everything possible to make sure say her husband make both of them come back to the way they used to be before. She come dey smile, dey smile. The husband dey look am, the husband dey enjoy the food, he dey totori am because the food dey sweet. And the husband don go work. She don dey inside kitchen again, dey talk to im mama, try to dey prepare. Tell the mama say he wan carry lunch go give am for office. Na im the mama come tell am say, okay, you wan carry lunch go give your husband for office? Okay, wetin you prepare for am? Na im she talk say na cream pasta. Na im she prepare with chicken sauce. Say na im she prepare for am, say she wan carry am go give am. Na im the mama come tell am say, okay o, if you wan go, make you make sure say you dress nice. She come tell the mama, okay, no problem, she go do that. She come cut the call. Na im she come say, okay, make she go dress. Mr. Patrick don dey inside im office o, dey work. Na im receive call for im phone. Tell am say im wife dey reception. Na im shout say, my wife? Wetin my wife come do? She say, okay, allow am make im come inside. Allow am make im come inside. He come dey wonder, say wetin go bring this woman come my office? All this while, e don tey wey she don come my office o. Na im the wife waka come inside. As the wife waka come inside, she just dey smile. Na im come ask her say wetin she come do for im office? E now say, I bring lunch for you na. Na im the husband come dey look am, come say, you don dey do extra these days o. Na im the wife come tell am say extra ke? Say I bring food come for you. I bring lunch come for you na. Say make you chop. Na im the husband come ask am say wetin dey sup? Wetin be the meaning of everything wey you dey do? First na the massage you do. Another one you do breakfast. Now you come bring lunch come. Wetin dey happen? Abeg tell me. Na im she come tell am say I miss the way both of us dey do. As we dey do before, we no dey do am again. Say I know say we dey always fight. And na me, I don tire for that kind fight. I don tire. I wan make we dey together again the way we dey do before. Make we dey do before, make we dey jolly ourselves, make we dey take care of ourselves, make we dey happy. She want a happy home. Say she no want home wey be say sadness too full am. Say where dem dey always dey fight. Say she don miss that kind thing. Na she come tell am everything. Na im come say, you know what? Abeg, carry the food, make you chop. Just chop your food. Na im the husband come dey look am. Action wan start. Our PA don enter. See the cloth wey she wear. Na im she enter o. As she enter, come dey do like I no know wetin I fit call am. She come dey do, dey try to dey seduce the oga. Just dey do toin toin. Na im the wife come look back see am. She come waka come inside. The husband too come dey look am. The girl come waka come inside, greet the wife anyhow. She no even know who the woman be. Some people no get sense at all. Some people no get sense. She don't know who the woman be. And she just waka come inside, just greet am nonchalantly. Come go sit down on top your oga table dey do. Like person wey demon don possess. Na the woman just dey look am. Say, hey, who be this? Na she sit down, carry her leg, dey smile, dey do her body romantically for her husband, for her oga. Na the wife just dey look am. Na the husband just tell her say, Hilda, meet my wife, Christabel. Christabel, meet Hilda. And she jump up. She jump. E be like say dem chook am pin for on top of that table. Na she jump up. As she jump up, come try to dey greet am. Na she try to dey greet am. Na the madam come talk say, oh, na the Hilda be this, the almighty Hilda, wey dey always send you message, dey call you, dey text you at odd hour, for midnight. Na him be this. Na him the husband come tell am say, you know say she be my PA, and she go wan text me or call me to give me information or wetin dey happen for inside office or wetin dey happen for the job wey dem dey do. Na him the wife come tell am say, abeg you, no tell me that. Who do you think say I be? I be pikin? I be pikin wey dey just comot breast for im mouth. Abeg you. No tell me that kind thing. You want make I chop bread wey you soak inside water? E no possible. I know say you dey knack your PA. You dey knack am. Na your PA be this. Na the person wey you dey knack be this. Abi? Na the person wey carry you comot for house be this. Wey you no dey get time for your family again. Wey be say you dey waka up and down with am for street, for road. Na him be this. See, look, make you look how she take dress. Na like this dem suppose dress come office. Abeg o, make una tell am. Na like this dem suppose dress come office, wey she wear cloth wey dey kpemkpe. All the cloth dey show her body, dey show everything for inside her body. Abeg you tell me. See the cloth na, wey she don dey half naked. Na him you talk, wey dey show all her breast. Abi you no see? See everything. You come say make I no talk. Shebi na the person wey you dey knack for this, for your office be this. Na the person wey you dey knack be this now. Na him the husband come tell am say, make him stop now. Make him stop all this now. The PA come dey look am. She say, no be so. Na him Christabel tell am, no be so. No be so. No be you dey sleep with my husband. Abi you wan deny am say you no dey sleep with my husband? Na him the PA come dey look am. The husband still dey talk. The woman come talk say, abeg oga, you think say I no know anything? You think say I no know anything? No be the person wey you dey knack be this. You call am your PA. Your PA, and you dey knack am for inside office. Na him she stand up, face the husband, face the PA. Na him the PA just dey look. She dey look, she dey boil. The wife too come dey boil. PA come call im oga by im name. Say, Patrick, you dey there and your wife dey insult me like this. Can you imagine the audacity wey this PA carry because say the oga don dey knack am? Hey, una wey be men, more una dey careful. Because you wey talk say you wan dey chop something for her side, you go dey ready to face anything wey come with am. Na the thing wey dey happen now. Because say the day wey your wife go find out, kasala, wahala go dey. No be only wahala, na wahala promax you go get. Na wahala promax you go get. As she come dey tell am say, you dey watch your wife dey insult me like this. Na him the husband come tell am say, me no vex abeg. Say make him go back to him post. Na him our madam just carry breast, push am back. Say, where you dey go? You go nowhere. You go nowhere. As she say, shebi you don say you wan chop with the devil. Make you dey ready to carry body dance to the music wey the devil go play for you. Na him she tell am that. As she tell am that, come dey tell the husband say, you get mind, apologize to your PA. When you suppose dey apologize to me, you come dey apologize to your PA. Tell am say me no vex. Who she be? Na him she just carry body. The husband still dey look am. She come dey talk to am. The husband see, they look. Now she carry her hand, give the PA, why? They beat him. They pounce on him, push him, beat him, give him blow. The husband, our Oga Patrick, he just carry his system, carry everything wey dey on top the table. He no wan make anything spoil there. He just carry and put for ground. As in they carry and they put for ground, na him the madam they beat the PA. Na him the PA come dey shout, Patrick, you wan make she kill me for here? You wan make she kill me for here? Na him Patrick just stand up. Patrick go meet them. Come try to dey settle their fight. Don't try to dey settle. He come enter inside their middle. As he enter, drag the wife, carry the wife hand. Na him the PA just see way run comot. As she run comot, she come still dey talk. Na him she run comot go outside. Na him the wife still dey fight am. The wife dey fight am. As the wife dey fight am, the wife come dey tell am say, you no even dey remorseful. You no dey remorseful at all. The husband dey tell am say, make him go house, say dem go settle everything for house. Say the husband come dey ask am say, shey na food you bring for me? Abi you come here come cause wahala? You come here come fight? Na the wife come dey tell am say, instead of him to be apologizing say him do bad, him still dey claim right on top wetin him do. Say he no dey remorseful at all. Say he no even regard her at all. Him wife, you no even regard me at all. You dey knack your PA. You dey knack your PA. See the thing wey you dey knack. See the thing wey you dey do. You dey knack your PA. Your personal ashawo. No be your personal ashawo she be. You dey knack am. You no even see anybody. Na your PA you come dey knack for inside office. And she tell am say, you know what? You no deserve my love. You no deserve my care. You no even deserve my lunch wey I bring come for you. And she pack the lunch, pack everything, carry herself, waka comot for inside the office. The husband come dey look am. Abeg, make we pause for here. Men, make una gather here. And women too, just gather. Men, if una wan do something, abeg dey use your number 9. Abi number 6 then. Make una dey think. Make una dey think before una go do something. The problem be say you no think. You just jump. You see say train dey waka dey go. You can't jump comot for inside train. If you jump comot for inside train now, you go get injury. Say, look at wetin happen now. If you don't avoid am. Your friend carry advice give you, say make you dey friend your PA, dey knack your PA. And you too, you carry yourself, collect the advice, come do am. You no get sense. You no get sense at all. Because I know say wetin your wife dey do you, you no good. I know say you dey face challenges for inside your marriage. But make I advise you, people. If una see say wahala dey inside your marriage, no be to go look for side chick or to go look for another woman. Now make you sit down, think, how I fit take solve this problem wey dey inside my marriage. How I fit take solve am, make the marriage dey jolly again the way e dey before. Now wetin him suppose do? Him suppose sit down, think. But he no do that one. He just jump, do the advice wey him friend give am, because say the thing don tire am. Remember say the time wey una dey marry, wey una dey for that altar, una say for better for worse, in richness and in poorness, in health and in what? In good health, in bad health, till death do you part. Na the promise wey una make for una self be that. Na the vow wey una make be that. Na him make am say na the only marriage, the only institution, the only school wey be say you go, wey dem go give you your certificate even before you enter inside am. Because they know say as you dey enter, you no fit jump comot. You go face am. And now say you don enter inside, you don dey see how everything dey go. You see say okay, your wife, you get issue with your wife. Your wife dey behave the way she dey behave. The only thing wey you fit do be say you go look for solution on how to make your marriage work. By all means, no be say you go carry yourself put for another wahala by carrying another side chick. As him carry the side chick now, say he know say this kind day go come wey be say him wife go come in office. Wey be say him wife go come in office, come say he wan come drop something for am. And him come see everything wey dey happen. You no even friend somebody for outside. Na inside your office, your PA. Na him make the wife call am say na him personal ashawo. I don hear another one. Abeg, make we dey use wisdom, dey do things if we wan do things. If una see say your marriage no dey okay, call your partner. Tell your partner say, my wife o, my husband o, I notice say our family no dey sweet like before again, and I no want that kind thing. E no suppose reach the stage wey una go knack head for on top rock before una go know say something don spoil for inside your marriage. Abeg. Na him Mr. Patrick come dey think. He no know wetin he go do again. See our PA for the hallway, she just dey waka, dey vex, dey hold herself. Abeg, make una see the kind cloth wey she wear. She for no wear the skirt at all. See how short the skirt be. Na him she come dey waka o, dey waka the whole waist, dey waka, say dey waka, come dey talk. Say, wetin be all this? Say she dey talk say her cloth small. Wetin small for inside this cloth wey she wear? Say the cloth dey okay now. Na him she come dey think o, she no know wetin she go do. She just dey think of wetin she go do next again. Come dey wonder. Na him Christabel come outside from her husband office. As she come outside, na him she stand for door gidigba like Martí Hugo say she wan fight Christabel. Na him Christabel just drop wetin dey her hand, give am woi, give am blow, beat am blue black. As she dey beat am, dey give am, na him the husband run comot for inside him office, come try to dey settle wetin dey happen. Na him the husband try hold am, the PA come run comot for inside the fight. As she run comot, na him the husband still hold am. The husband come dey tell am say why she go do this kind thing, say make she stop all this nonsense. Say why she go come cause wahala for inside the office. Na him the wife come dey tell am say, shebi you come push me for your girlfriend, for your PA wey be your girlfriend wey you dey knack, abi? Say this one, I no dey go anywhere. As the husband dey tell am say make she dey go house, she say she no go go anywhere. Say she no go go anywhere. Say he no even dey remorseful. He no even see say he don do something wrong. Say he dey sleep with him PA for him office. Say no, this one, he go die here. Say na dem die here. As the husband come dey tell her say make she dey go, na she talk say she no go go anywhere. She no dey go anywhere. Say she die here. As the husband come, she come still dey tell am, the husband still dey tell am say make she comot. Na him the husband talk say, okay, you no wan go, I go call security for you. Na him the husband put am for inside him jacket, bring out him phone, say him go call him security. As him still dey tell am say you no go go, abi? He come dey hold the phone. Say him go call security, make she no worry. Abeg. As now say you don do this kind thing, the husband no dey right. The wife too no dey right. Somehow, you no suppose let your marriage reach this point. No be say una go come dey fight for public. I know say the woman dey fight for her rights. She dey fight for her husband, say another person wan collect him husband. But she suppose use wisdom. If na me too, I go do the same. I no go lie on her. If na me too, I go do the same. But you know say we need to dey use wisdom at times to dey do some things. Na the thing wey happen. Because as e be like this, as you don catch your husband like this, you know say if you catch man wey dey cheat for on top him wife, if you catch am like this, dem go try to dey look for way to comot your hand. He no go wan claim say him do wrong. He go dey always want to claim say him do right. Na the thing. You know this kind people, na their conscience you go deal with, not their physical. Na conscience. You know say silence, e get how e dey do. If to say as she dey, she look am, she talk the talk wey she don talk. As she dey waka comot, she waka comot. She no even fight the PA. She go dey wait make the time come wey him go handle am, wey him go catch am red-handed, wey be say the husband no go fit talk anything. You know say this one now, she just dey talk. The husband go talk say she no see anything, she no know anything. The husband fit deny am, say nothing happen. Say nothing happen between him and him PA. Say the wife just dey carry rumor. Why? Because say the wife no dey patient enough to try look for how him go take catch him husband red-handed. As the mama don advise am say make she try use wisdom take do things. Abeg my people, I wan make una go the comment section, make una tell me how una take feel concerning this our episode. This particular episode, wetin Christabel do for inside this place, e right? And how she take handle things, e right? Abeg make una tell me your opinion. I wan learn from una also. I wan hear from una also. Abeg. Make we always dey careful also. Make I hear from una side. As me I see am, the husband and the wife, they no dey right at this point in time. The husband know say the wife don catch am, but he still wan do like say the wife, he no do anything. He no do anything because say the wife no catch am with anything. And the place where me I go blame Christabel be say Christabel for calm down. I know say him body dey hot. Say e go dey hurt you. No human being fit do am, fit hold am, but him for just use wisdom take handle the matter so that e no go reach this extent wey be say the husband come dey chase am comot for him office for him PA. Shebi na the husband suppose dey chase the PA comot for him wife. Now e come be like say the husband no get respect for the wife again. Na the thing, e no get respect for the wife to the extent say he wan call security. Na insult. Na insult. He wan call security make e come carry him wife comot for inside the office. E too bad. Abeg, if una never like our channel, make una help us like the channel. If una never subscribe to our channel, press the button make una subscribe to our channel. And make una dey follow us back to back, front to front. Make una dey follow us for more tori, for more ogbonge tori for this our episode, our series wey Mr. Aloy bring come outside. Mr. Aloy, thank you very much. God bless una. Until we meet again, make una dey jolly on ourselves, make una dey enjoy on ourselves. Bye bye yo.